Sacred Steel music here tonight? That's great, but you know, I'm even kind of happier for people that haven't heard Sacred Steel music before, because you have the best people, you got the best people right here, and you're about to hear some amazing Sacred Steel music. You know, the staff of the nonprofit Jalopy Theater works on the Brooklyn Folk Festival all year to make this happen. And to introduce our next band tonight, please welcome the executive director of the Jalopy Theater, Lynette Wiley.
Thanks, guys. Thank you all so much for coming. My name's Lynette, and I'm thrilled to have you here. The Brooklyn Folk Festival is our one time a year. It's our largest event where we get to amplify our mission at a larger venue, larger stages, and we get to bring you amazing talent. If you like what you see and you like what you hear, we invite you to come down to the Jalopy Theater throughout the year to get more of this. As a nonprofit, we can't do this without your support. And as we enter our annual appeal season, we ask you to donate to us to allow us to keep bringing you the Brooklyn Folk Festival, keep bringing amazing artists like Kashiah Hunter to New York City to entertain you, educate you, inspire you, and get you on your feet and do some dancing. We're thrilled to have Kashiah and these wonderful musicians from Atlanta and Pennsylvania, and have Terrell King, who some of you might have seen when we brought him to Bryant Park over the summer, which was a fantastic show. So I'm so thrilled to have them back, and get ready to do some dancing. Thank you, gentlemen.
Brooklyn! Let me hear you! Yeah! Come on, make some noise. Up top, you with me? Okay, all right. I am so glad to be back here at the Brooklyn Fest. All the bands that have gone on and did their job and played awesome and wonderful. Let's give it up for them one time, if you don't mind. But again, I'm just so honored to be here amongst friends and family. It feels good to be back here with you all. So, all right, so if you wasn't here, if you haven't seen us before, we have a lot of space up here on the floor. And if you feel like you want to move a little bit, we got all the space. All right, is that all right? Is that all right? All right, I'm not gonna talk much longer. Let me go ahead and let these guys do what they're gonna do, all right? Come on, Ray. All right, y'all. Come on. Let me get a clap. Let's go. Can I get a little bit more in this lead? Thank you. Sound guys, I'm sorry. Can we get a little bit more in the monitors? I'm sorry. The guitar. Everybody, I'm so happy to be here. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all. All right. Yes. So I don't have a lot of time, but I have some friends that I want to bring up. It's Miss Samoa Wilson. Where's my girl Samoa? Come on up here. Isn't she beautiful? This is Brooklyn's finest. Let's give it up for her.
If he be your boss, make it so
good one, right? Yes. How many want to just tell the Lord thank you? It's okay. Yeah. All right. I got a key now, y'all. All right. Come on. Y'all give it up for Ray. Hallelujah. Now watch what my bass man do. Mr. Terrell. I gotta do this. Hey, so if you took a video, tag me in it. I want to be your friend. I want you to be my friend. Kashiah Hunter on Instagram, Kashiah Hunter on Facebook, wherever. I want to be friends, all right? So tag me. All right, so, Lord, I just want to thank you. 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 I want to thank you for being so good to me. So good to me. Lord, I just want to thank you. 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 I want to thank you for being so good to me. So good to me. Come on, everybody.